In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to restore your old worn out push start ring in your BMW for a nice new gloss black one. Now over time, just from you touching the push start button and starting and stopping the car, the little push start button is going to wear out along with the little ring around it. In our case, the button looks perfectly fine, but the ring, as you can see, is starting to peel off and chip and just looks absolutely ugly. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is upgrade this to a nice gloss black one. So here I have the brand new push start ring that we're gonna be installing. So let's go ahead and take this out. And everything is nicely packaged. We can see here, came with a little sticker. That's pretty neat. Probably install that somewhere, probably on my laptop. Little business cards, go ahead and put that off to the side and actually go ahead and open this up. Sweet, and there we go. There's the gloss black push start ring that we're gonna go ahead and install to get rid of this nasty, dingy one. Let's go ahead and open this up. And it looks really good, guys. It's nice and glossy black, has a little 3M adhesive tape strip on the back. Oh yeah, guys, that's gonna look extremely good. Nice. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and peel off the protective cover on the adhesive tape. And super simple for the install. Just go ahead and line it up. Don't press it into place yet, but line it up. Go ahead and secure it and just push all around the little ring here. And how you center this thing is gonna dictate how good it looks at the end. I love the little gloss black accent, and especially if you have like piano black trim across the car, which I don't. Obviously I have this wood, this E90, but if you do, you know, that would be a really, really nice accent. That would look really good. But overall, I love it. And we didn't even have to remove the push start button. So super simple on the install, literally takes seconds. Well guys, that is how you restore your BMW's push start ring and upgrade it to a nice gloss black look. If you guys like the way this thing looks, go and smash that thumbs up. I'll have a link down below where you can purchase your own. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.